Everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video we going to discuss about how to verify your account. So suppose you are registering somewhere, okay, you are putting your name, email and your password something, so but your account not verified till once you go your inside of your any mail account like Gmail, Outlook, then you need to click on verify account. Once you clicked on your verify account, then you can log in and you can do activity in your account. Okay, suppose I have this one, I have done already, so I am going to show you. First of all, PHP artisan serve, this is working I already, so let me show you. Okay, click on register. I'm going to put my name Siddharth SIDDHARTH.SHUKLA@creativestreet.com. Password is admin1818. Admin1818. I'm going to click on. Let me go inside of my Gmail account. This is taking little bit time just because of internet issue maybe. You look at here, we need to verify our account. Okay, let me check. I haven't received right now. Let me send another one. Yes, I received that one, and you can check. You can click on the here also and here also. Suppose I'm going to click here. You look here. We are now logged in. Okay, so once again I'm going to for the clicking login. Siddharth Shukla @creativestreet.com admin1818. Click on submit button. Once you can check out here, we are now logged in. Okay, so I'm going to click log out. Okay, so hope so this is clear for you. So now I'm going to show you how to create step by step everything. Suppose these are the steps we need to follow. Okay, first of all I am going to clear my screen. I'm going to zoom this one. Again I'm going to type clear. Now hope so this is visual for you. So then what we need to do, first of all we need to install Laravel inside of our anywhere you want to install, you can put out. So I'm going to inside of my desktop folder. Now I'm going to type here composer create. These are the command you need to follow. So step project space prefer dest Laravel slash, then you need to put here project name. So I'm going to put Laravel email. I have written here wrong. Yes, now this will take little bit time. Once our project are installed successfully on our machine, then we will open, then we will set up the database. So meanwhile I am going to create database. Okay, this is my terminal. I am going to use MySQL -u root p. Yes, we are now inside of create. data database and database name. I'm going to put Laravel email verification. Okay, yes, this is done. Look it here. Okay, once database are successfully installed, then I need to check. Yes, this is taking now a little bit time also. So then once this is also done, then what we need to do, we need to go inside of the our scene. Then we need to put informations about my user ID and password for the sending email, and you can put your. Okay, meanwhile, yes, this is done. I'm going to use my existing one. So now where I am, I'm here. Then I am going to open my project. Project name is Laravel email let me open that project. Once this is open, then I need to configure. You need to configure, put here done. You need to put your database credential. I have created database with the name of Laravel email verification. Okay, so you can put your database name whatever you want to add. Once this is done, I am going to use this terminal right now. So our configuration also done. Then what I need to do here, I need to migrate first of all. PHP partition migrate. So once you clicked on PHP partition migrate, your data automatically successfully your table your database table automatically registered inside of the database. Once this is done, we need to use one more command for UI composer require Laravel /UI. Okay, and hit on this. We are installing the UI package, basically Laravel UI package, and once this is done, we will also use the bootstrap authentications for the, suppose we need to forget, we need to log in, we need to registrations forms. So one more command is there in Laravel, you can hit and you can get UI also. Okay, bootstrap UI basically. Let me try that first of all. Okay, so command is php partition UI bootstrap auth. Okay, this is the command. Yes, now what we need to do, we need to run both command, this one. Once this is done, then we need to use migrate command. This is also taking little bit time, so then I am going to inside of the routes. I'm going to clicking on the routes. Then here we have some controller and function, so let it be this one for the home controller. Okay, so name is home, and here we need to use for the verifications. Then routes, auth routes is there. Okay, I'm going to put here as an array verify. Okay, true. Okay, maybe this is correct. Okay, let me do that. This is taking now also time. Once this system, yes, this successfully is created, then what we need to do, we need to add inside of the my controller, inside the home controller, middleware. Okay, so where we can add middleware, we have already added middleware inside of the authentications. Look at here. Okay, this is successfully done. Then but we need to check this middleware is verified or not. Okay, then we need to add verified. Okay, also once this is done, let it be check this is correct or not. Verified is correct. Once we have added verified is correct, then we need to run server. Okay, then I need to open my user. This is model, and inside the model we need to add implementations of verification. The implements must verified email. This is we have added. Okay, once we have added, and then we need to restart my server again. I'm going to check that this is working or not something. So we are inside a Laravel email. I hit that this command. Our project or running here on this port. I'm going to click register. Then I'm going to put my name, email, and here password, which is admin1818. When I click on register, once we clicked on register, same time we get the also one email verifications. Once you clicked on email verification, this is your account you logged in. Just click on log out, and here once again log in. Put your email address. My email address is this one, siddharth.shukla@creativestreet.com, and password is admin1818. Once you clicked on login, you get login, and this is working fine. And if you have any doubt related to this video, you can comment on comment section. Also, if you want code, you can directly check out from my repository, which is, I will also give you description area. Email verifications I have added right now. These are my repository, you can check out. Okay, let me check that. Where is my repository? This Laravel 7 email verifications, you can check out from here. Also, if you have any doubt, you can check from my blog also. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.